Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change default browser and mail applications on iPhones. First, open the settings on your smartphone, then scroll down to Apps section and open it. Here, open Default Apps. Then go to Email if you want to change the email app. Of course, you're gonna have to have the alternative app downloaded on your smartphone. Just select it once you download it, install it. And if you want to change the browser app, then go to Browser app and select a different browser that you have installed on your device. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.